Welcome to the best picks. The best pot holder loom is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use tools for crafting unique and personalized pot holders, allowing you to explore your creativity with various colors and patterns while creating functional and beautiful kitchen accessories or thoughtful handmade gifts for friends and family. And this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right loom and hook for your pot holder making journey, from understanding different types of looms and hooks to mastering essential techniques and tips for creating stunning pot holders. Number 5. Made by Me Ultimate Loom. Get ready to dive into a world of crafting fun with this amazing weaving kit. It's packed with everything you need to create up to 25 unique projects. With 378 soft, colorful loops in 9 rainbow shades, you'll have endless possibilities for creating colorful patterns and designs. Let your imagination run wild. No sewing needed. This kit includes a user-friendly loom and hook tool, making it simple for anyone to weave. Even the youngest crafters can follow the illustrated instructions. From pot holders and pencil cases to friendship bracelets and jump ropes, the possibilities are endless. Make wearable creations to share with friends and family. It's more than just a craft, it's a screen-free activity that boosts fine motor skills, color recognition, and hand-eye coordination. It's the perfect way to learn and have fun. This complete kit includes the loom, hook, 378 colorful loops, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to start creating is right here. What we like? It boasts an impressive number of loops and projects. If you're looking for a versatile kit to create many different items, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids and beginners who want to explore various weaving possibilities. What people say? Same quality. Sometimes products change over time and become worse quality, but these are good. This is a great way to teach children how to weave, however it produces a small pot holder. The colors of the loops in this kit are very pretty. The actual finished size of the pot holder made with this kit is 5x434. If you remember making these from your childhood, this is what you're looking for. Perfect fit, easy to use for my 7-year-old. Made a perfect little pot holder. Performance is great. It's sturdy and the appearance is a nice high-quality purple plastic. It was a fun project for both of us. Number 4. Friendly Loom 7-inch Weaving Kit. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this complete weaving kit. It's perfect for crafting beautiful and functional pot holders. This 7x7-inch metal loom is sturdy and secure, making weaving easy and enjoyable. It holds your loops perfectly in place. Weave with vibrant, soft, and strong cotton loops. They're available in a rainbow of colors, creating colorful pot holders. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the loom, cotton loops for 2 pot holders, a weaving hook, a crochet hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's a fun, screen-free activity that boosts creativity, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination. Perfect for all ages and skill levels. This kit is made in the USA with trusted quality and craftsmanship. You'll enjoy generations of use from this kit. Weave 2 beautiful and practical pot holders for your kitchen, or create personalized gifts. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This kit stands out with its sturdy metal loom and high-quality cotton loops. If you value durability and prefer materials made in the USA, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking a reliable and long-lasting weaving experience. What people say? The best. Love the vintage design, sturdy metal frame and high-quality loops. The Harrisville loom, tools and loops are the best, by far. The cotton loops will, I believe, stand up to heat when used as pot holders. These are cotton and do not melt. They also are very high quality and consistent in size. Number 3. Friendly Loom 7-inch Weaving Kit. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this complete weaving kit. It's perfect for crafting beautiful and functional pot holders. This 7x7-inch metal loom is sturdy and secure, making weaving easy and enjoyable. It holds your loops firmly in place, preventing slippage. Weave with vibrant, rainbow-colored cotton loops. They're soft, strong, and create durable pot holders that will last. This kit includes everything you need: the loom, loops for 6 pot holders, a weaving hook, a crochet hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. You're ready to start weaving right away. It's a fun, screen-free activity that boosts creativity, improves fine motor skills, and enhances hand-eye coordination. Suitable for all ages and skill levels. This kit is made in the USA with trusted quality and craftsmanship. You can be confident in its durability and quality. Weave 6 practical pot holders for your kitchen, or create personalized gifts. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It offers the same great quality as the previous one, but with even more pot holders to make. If you need to create multiple pot holders for your kitchen or as gifts, this is the best choice. It's perfect for crafters who want a larger project. What people say. The size and thickness of this pot holder is just like the ones from my childhood. The loom itself is heavy and sturdy. The curved pegs do cut down on the loops falling off. The best. Love the vintage design, sturdy metal frame and high-quality loops. Number 2. Hapinest Weaving Loom Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to start weaving. It's perfect for beginners and includes easy-to-follow instructions. The sturdy metal loom is the perfect size for little hands. It's easy to use and creates beautiful pot holders. With 250 colorful loops, you can create 6 unique pot holders. Mix and match colors to make your own designs. Design and weave 6 custom pot holders. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself. This kit is ideal for parties or playdates. It's a great way for kids to bond and learn together. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. It encourages creativity and develops crafting skills. Just follow the simple instructions to create colorful patterns. It's a fun and rewarding craft for kids of all skill levels. What we like? This kit is designed for fun and easy crafting, perfect for group activities. If you're looking for a simple yet engaging project for kids or a party, this is it. It's ideal for creating multiple pot holders in a fun and social setting. What people say. Very sturdy and comes with lots of loops. Product is sturdy and well designed. She had 1 pot holder done by end of day and to the delight of all her mother was overjoyed with her accomplishment. Number 1. Pepperell Metal Loom and Hook Set. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this amazing set. It's perfect for crafting colorful and unique pot holders. This metal loom and hook set makes crafting a breeze. Even beginners will find it simple and enjoyable to use. Inside this 7.5 by 7.5 by 1 inch package, you'll find 1 sturdy metal loom and 1 premium metal hook. Everything you need to get started. It contains small parts, so it's important to keep it away from children under 3 years old. This product is recommended for ages 5 and up. Let your imagination run wild and create beautiful, personalized pot holders. It's a fun and rewarding crafting experience. It is made with durable, high-quality materials, ensuring that it will last for many crafting projects to come. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes a wonderful present for the crafter in your life. It's sure to be a hit. What we like? This one is simple to use and comes in a pretty pink color. If you want a quick and easy project or prefer a specific color, this is a great option. It's perfect for beginners or those who want a straightforward crafting experience. What people say. Sturdy and much easier to use for children than the plastic kits. I was very happy to see that this metal loom was available on Amazon. I had purchased and returned a plastic one from a big crafts chain store because it seemed cheap and the hook was a short plastic crochet hook. This one has a long metal hook, long enough to slide under all of the loops when weaving. The loom is very sturdy and feels good to hold. Some people have complained that loops slide off of the loom. I didn't experience this, the prongs on the loom actually flare slightly out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.